see what this cat is doing. Hi, baby. Come here. I think she's trying to tell me to feed her. So I'll be back. Gotta feed the kitty. All right, guys. Take 2. Welcome to Plant Therapy. This is Mona. And I have an unboxing, as you can see here. It's a big box. I've been waiting for this. This one came faster than the other one, which hopefully when you guys see this would have been posted already. I'm still editing that video. But my plant that had been missing in God knows where finally showed up. So let's stick to this. So this is nicely packed. It looks like everything's safe. I like the style of the wrap in here. So everything's contained inside this paper. I like that. Smart. Another reason why I record the unboxings is so I can learn for future reference when I box up stuff. And guys, you know how they say these break down. They really do. I left the box, the last box I got, out on my deck for a few days, and there had been rain. And they're just shrinking up, dissolving right before my eyes. It's funny. Okay. I hope the sun, maybe I should change the direction and move you in. Bear with me. I'll be right back. I don't know, guys. I hope that's a little better. I didn't expect the sun to interfere with this, but I have to open it, and I wanted to open it with you guys. Let me open this last. I don't know why. No, let's open that one now. So I ordered 3 plants from these guys, and they're down in Orlando, Florida. They have a plant shop, and they do their lives right from the store. That plant, the Lois Andrewsiana, came from them, and that was right before they moved from one location to another. I'm going to try to be a little fast with this, but I do like the way they wrap these. Seems like a smart, quick way to wrap your plants, keep them safe. And let's see what we got. They wrote my name on there. Okay, this is the plant I won. They have a drawing at the end. I think you have to have purchased something. If you hang on till the end, they do a drawing, and you have to be present at the time of the drawing. So someone else was actually the first choice, and that person wasn't on anymore, so they blew it, and in turn I got it. So this is, it's an Alocasia Black Velvet Splash. Now I'm not sure, but it's pretty. And it's very it's cute, and it's well rooted in there. So yeah, very cute. All right, it's one down. So that was the extra. I couldn't believe that I actually won something. Anyway, but yeah, they do it at the end, and if you're there, great. If you're not, you blow it, because you have to be there to confirm. And yeah, so I got a free plant out the deal, but I had ordered these other 3. Let's see what condition they're in. I'll speed this up, guys. I'm sorry. Trying to be careful. I don't damage anything, but But I like that they're using this paper here. It makes sense. It's practical. And it's thick enough to keep the plant safe. And you know, I like that. Okay, I know which one this is. And this is a plant that I have already. Actually, 2 of them. Oh, nice. It's the subquintuplinervis, which is formerly known as pachaclata. And this is a nice one, guys. Needs a little water. Feel that. But yeah, very pretty. Hope you can see that. So far, so good. So I decided to get this. First of all, I love the 2 I have. I don't know that I'd ever cut those 2 or give them up to sell. I don't know. Maybe I will. It's one in particular that really is beautiful. The other one is a little lighter in color, and I've shared that with some. If you've followed me and watched my Hoya videos, you may have heard me say this. It's a little, I pulled it back from the window because it seems a little lighter than it should be. So it's not a sun stressing plant. I think they do sun stress on the edge if you give them the right amount of light. But that one from the beginning looked a little, I don't know if you want to say chlorotic or whatever. I don't think I ever overwatered it. I think it came like that. It wasn't until I got the other one that I realized the shade that it probably should be. And this confirms that that's the shade it should be. So I have a solution. I think I'm going to give it some chelated, what do they call that? Iron. I don't know if it's iron or I'll show it to you when I do it. I'm going to try it on a few plants. Okay. Mona plant therapy. What does it say? Don't something. Don't, I don't know what that word says, but yeah, this is a choke. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that, by the way. I'll put the names on the screen. I may be mispronouncing it, but yeah. So I have a little one, and this one was such a good price. I couldn't, not get it. Because I get the feeling this is going to be a beautiful, beautiful. It's already beautiful, but as it grows, I'm excited to see that. I don't know if they were giving me a tip about it. Don't something. That's what it looks like it says. I'll have to send them a message, and hopefully they know. They sell so many plants. They're probably not going to remember what that was about. I have no idea what that could be. Move it back a little bit from the sun. Yeah, it turned out to be a really nice day today. I was doing some yard work very carefully. I hurt my back last weekend, the holiday weekend. I was laid up Sunday and Monday trying to recover from whatever I did. When I felt that tightness, that familiar tightness you get, I decided to stretch. And whatever I did, stretching made it worse. So I spent the next 2 days just kind of laying around. I did venture out on Monday briefly, but I knew I wasn't it was still hurting. And I went to work. So that was Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and yesterday was Thursday. So I had acupuncture, and he worked directly on my issues, and I slept like a baby. I feel a little better, but certain movements remind me that I am not 100%. So I've been wearing a back brace and trying to get things done because, got to get things done. All right. Another Hushkiliana, guys. Isn't that beautiful? The sun is getting I'm sorry, guys. Here we go. I hope that's better. Is that a better angle? So I got another one of these because I am propagating mine finally, but I saw this one. The price was pretty good, so I decided to go ahead and get it. So yeah, so the Nursery Project USA, I think is what the full name is. They're down in Orlando. It's Vic and oh my God, I can't remember his partner's name right now, but they're they're an easy live to watch because they're very funny and always joking. And they have this big, cute, overgrown puppy. I think it was, I'm not, somebody said it was a Great Dane. This beautiful dog. And yeah, so watching their show is very easy. So, all right, so we have our babies. Everything is looking good. I'll still isolate them, keep them separated from the crew, spray them down with at least some alcohol. And my God, this leaf is beautiful. I like anything black velvet, but I couldn't find, when I looked it up, black velvet splash. So guys, if you know anything about that, let me know. This light is not helping me see if there's any kind of splash, but I guess time will tell. But it's beautiful leaf and it's well rooted, so I'm happy about that. I wonder what this says. Okay, that says monoplant therapy. Monoplant therapy. That says monoplant therapy. Something, maybe that's not don't. Something the hair. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Hopefully it's nothing that I really needed to know. Maybe nothing important. But yeah, guys, so that is it. There's some more plants coming, more hauls. I'm really trying to get this collection going. So when I start selling, I want you guys to be happy with what I offer. All right. All my little babies, they're looking really good. I'm gonna go isolate them and give them a little bath or whatever, cut the plastic off. If you want to hang on and see me cut this, I'll keep filming. If not, see you in the next one, guys. Have a great weekend. Plant therapy. What is this? It's gonna bug me.